All right, so welcome back to another one. We're going to be in the key of E flat. Remember, it's called Beginner All Keys series. So welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, click the subscribe button, share the video, tell people about the channel. Today we are going to be in the key of E flat. Originally, I started this series from B flat, so we're going to be moving in the circle of fourth and fifth. So this is a fourth from this. So first, like I said, you want to learn the scale of that key. So the scale of E flat is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, si, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Fingers 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. You descend with that same finger. Left hand 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. You descend with that same pattern. Then from there, just try. If you can do it, try and play both hands. You see, use a metronome to practice. So for my students that have been following up, if you've not been following up, drop it in the comment section. Send me a DM. So I would or you check the videos or go to the there should be a playlist in my channel that shows you the beginner or keys series. It's called beginner or keys series. I also have post beginner or keys series where my let's not go there. Let's not go there. But just know a lot is coming. A lot is on the way. So after you've learned the skill, because you already play on other 12 keys, on other keys, sorry, maybe you were playing on the key of C sharp, C, F, or F sharp before now, you should already understand how some of those things work. They shouldn't be strange to you. So after learning the skill of a particular key, the next thing you want to learn is the chords, because after skill is chords. Because your scales and chords, they are the building blocks of music, which is melody and harmony. Hmm? Don't worry, you understand better. I also have a PDF on this class. You can ask for it. So your one has a chord. Also, there is a formula for forming your major scale. Do you understand? So I think I should write something down. I'm going to be showing you. Okay, so there will be a video in the description that teaches you how to look for a major scale of any key. Any key you want to start learning how to play, you want to know how to look for the major scale. The formula for a major scale is ho, 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 half, ho, 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 half. That's the formula. That's how you get a major scale. Every scale has a formula. All right, we are doing major scale, so let's focus on major scale. So after you must have played the scale, you also want to know that this scale has chords assigned to it. So this is your do, your one chord, your re, your two chord, your mi, your three chord, your fa, your four chord, your fa, your your sol, your five chord, your la, your six chord, your ti, your seven chord back to your one. Your left hand want to do that same thing. Watch the finger I'm using. Then take my fingers. Do you see? So at the end of the day, you also want to learn how to play it in all key with both hands. Also, you can try out the fingers that works for you. Also, I have a video that talks about the right fingering, what to touch, what not to touch, and the rules of of the correct fingers to use. So let me take note of something. So I have a video now that teaches you the rules of the correct fingers to use on the piano, so you don't have issues. So quickly, let's go ahead. So I already showed you the chord. So after you've already figured out the chord, you are able to use your play with your fingers that are comfortable with you, or you use the one I just used. The next thing you want to learn is an exercise. So that's what brings us to 2, 5, 1, 4, 7, 3, 6. That's an exercise. We are going through the circle of fourth and fifth. We are going from a two to here is a fourth. Hmm? Hmm? So I'll drop a diagram that talks about that. So you want to practice this as an exercise. Your re, sol, do, fa, ti, mi, la. As a beginner, this is all you want to learn. Then after you've learned this, there will be other videos. it's levels. So this is just the beginner all key series. I'm going to give you different levels of the next stage or phase, to start playing on. So this is all you need to start playing in a new key. You can also pick out and if you're playing in a key C, key F sharp before, you want to pick out the song or the chord of the song. Imela, Imela, Okaka, Oyekerua, Imela, Imela, Ezemo. So you want to learn it like this. Total beginner stuff. Alright guys, see you in another one.